Alright guys, today we're gonna help out Mark to install a ring camera, a floodlight ring camera. He already started, so I gotta assist, you know? So I get it done. Stay tuned. Alright, here's Mark, everybody. Everybody say, what's up, Mark? So Mark is installing the electrical box. That way we can run the pipe up the wall and get the ring camera installed. Mark on the one on toes. That's the Andaman. Where you bust that for? Oh! I thought that you Phillips.
About an inch and 3/4 my boy.
Right, me get you too. Right, we'll get him 2 screw. 4 full screw in by. I don't know, we stack up in the truck, you know? Yeah man, that's why we're outside. Get it done right, you know? That is it. Go deeper, man.
I'm trying to part that. I'm going to cook. What size is that?
Go deeper, man.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
How deep that?
I just go deeper now, man. I'll about it here. Go on, man, go on. Two supposed to in there. Just need the arm.
No, man, I'm trying to say which size.
You're not in there.
No.
No, it's supposed to come with it.
Uh-huh.
You're not brand new?
Yeah, but that don't come with it. That come with like the big the screw.
No, it come with it.
You come in? You in it?
I don't come with it.
Oh.
Just need the this. Just need for something to fit that. I'll try for this.
Well, 6 foot. Can't go 6 foot though. 6 foot alright or something.
Yeah, 6 foot. Alright guys, as you just saw, we measured the pipe to see how high we want the camera to be. So as you can see, Mark is measuring now. We just measured 6 feet, so the camera is going to be 6 feet above the electrical box. So that's what we're doing right now. Going to use the tool and cut that pipe. And the reason why we are putting a ring camera in the backyard is for 2 reasons. One, for security, but also we need light in the backyard. Alright, so right here Mark is putting on the PVC pipe cement. This will help the pipe to stick together and we have no moisture or anything coming through.
Good man.
Alright, so we are running the electrical wire through the pipe first before we mount it to the wall. It's just a little bit easier. We could have used a fish tape afterwards, but this process is easier. Just watch and see. You see what we're talking about.
Oh.
All right, as you can see, the wire's already fished through the pipe. So now we're just gonna pull it through the electrical box and just connect everything there. Just make everything easier. So this is what we mean. It's easier to just fish the wire through the pipe first. In this case, this doesn't happen in every scenario, but in this one, we could do this and get away with it. So right now we're gonna put on the C-clamp on the wall. That way we could secure the pipe. And when you're doing this process, you always want to use a level, a very tall level. That way we know the pipe is straight.
Put on the level again now. So go on. Above the sea, the clamp there. That is it. All right, take care.
I'll take it off. You mean
I can shift it?
Yeah.
Yes, I can shift it. Which one this? My one there? Yeah.
Okay, so right here, Mark is just gonna secure the box at the top. So he's gonna put 2 holes and then put the top con screws in. and that will secure that box at the top.
Try it? I try it, man. No, I'm not try it. Too big. Try it, man. It's too big.
I'm having enough. Alright, no. So the arrow pointing up.
Yeah, it's beautiful.
The arrow pointing up. No, see what I'm fixing everything. I have an angle. Right? Cut that. Okay, so right here, as you can see, Mark is installing the back plate for the Ring camera, and he has a level on the 2 screws that will help him to level it perfectly. Alright, so we're stripping some wires now. These are some jumper wires that we're going to install on the little pigtail connectors that we have down there in the box, the electrical box.
I put down on this first. That way then.
Alright, so we're getting ready to install the camera, and we're using Mark's favorite connector. I call those the pigtail connector. As you can see, make your life a little bit easier. You just push the wires inside the little connector. You know, instead of using the wire nut, which is the old school way. Mark says it's old school, so yeah, I work with that. Yeah, so once we get those in, we just carefully push those wires inside the box, and then we're just gonna mount the camera, screw it in, and get everything ready.
The light are bright.
Mm-hmm.
Long time bedroom Costco in the dark.
Hmm?
Long time bedroom Costco. You can see you.
Alright, look at this, guys. Mark wife make me this for breakfast: fried dumpling, fried plantain, and sausage. Hear me out. This breakfast was excellent. I did want more, but I never want to act too greedy. I couldn't wait for Mark, so I go and watch him at work, you know. Eventually, him the forward down and start eat some food, but for now, I enjoy my breakfast. Yo, big up, you know, chef. Juice, they good to carrot juice. Yeah, man.
Yeah, man, backyard settings, you know? Outside.
Outside with it.
Outside.
Alright, guys, this is the finished product. We have an operational outlet there, and this is the camera up and running. Up and running. Customer happy, Mark happy, everybody happy. Oh, they have light in the backyard at night. Alright, guys, thanks for watching. But before you go, please just like and subscribe right away. Just like, share, and subscribe. Let the whole world know about Alt PC Repair. That is it.